Down in Georgia, he was looking for a soul to steal, and he was in a bind, way behind, going to make him a deal. When he come up on this young man, saw him fiddling, playing it high. The devil jumped up on his stump, said, "Boy, let me tell you what. In case you didn't know it, I'm a fiddle player too. If you care, take a little there, I'm gonna make a little bet with you. Well, you play pretty good fiddle, boy, but not give the devil his due. The fiddle go against your soul, it's like I bet you. Boys, my name's Johnny, and it might be a sin, but I'll take your bet, you're gonna regret, 'cause I'm the best as ever been. Johnny rising up your low and play your fiddle hard. This is the loose in Georgia, and the devil deals the cards. If you win, you'll get this shiny fiddle made of gold. And if you lose, the devil gets your soul. Yes, he does. The devil opened up his face and he said, "I'll start this show." And fire blew from his fingertips as he rising up the bow. He pulled that bow across some strength and made an evil hiss. A band of demons joined in and it sounded something like this. Well, Johnny said, "Hey, devil, you're pretty good there, son. But set your ass in that chair right there and let me show you how it's done." Play fire, boys run. Goes to the house of the rising sun. And the red man picking out gun. That you don't mind no child, no. Well, the devil bowed his head because he knew that he'd been beat. He laid that golden fiddle on the ground at Johnny's feet. And I said, "Hey, devil, come on back if you ever want to try it again. I told you once, you son of a bitch, I'm the best there's ever been." Play my boys run. Comes in the house of the rising sun. And the red band picking out gun. 'Cause you don't buy no child, no.